Okay, part two. This is Jerome's Electrical. Back at you. Last time I showed you, I left off here. I wasn't piped yet from this light over to here. Over to here and to this light. Okay? As you can see, all the lights are connected. Everything's on. All lights are working. Check out this pipe work. Look at that. Nice, pretty. Okay. Nice and pretty. Look, check me out. Over there to the right. To that can there. Back over here. Back down. Okay. Over here. Come across here. Bow. And continue over here to this box. Bow. Then around this corner. Hug that wall. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty, baby. Look at that. Check me out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And back over here to the switches. It's my three-way here. Okay. Back on. And these are my 5 cans. As you can see, getting ready to hit those. Bow. See what I'm saying? Back on. Okay, I'm done. That concludes my video.